Hello and welcome to my walkthrough of some of the features of the Gale Power Search database. As the name suggests, the Power Search brings back a vast quantity of results. So I'm going to show you today a few ways to navigate through the database when researching so that you can narrow those results. So there's two things to notice first on this homepage. One is that this database will bring back a number of different kinds of media: authoritative periodicals, scholarly journals, newspapers, and reference content will all be part of the result of your search. The second is the search bar here, which allows you to do 4 different types of searches: basic searches, subject searches, publication searches, and entire document searches. For our search today, we're going to start with a basic search, so I can show you everything that will come back and then how you can limit it. Our sample search term for today is going to be human rights violations. And you'll notice as I type already, the database is making suggestions about ways to narrow your search term. And obviously you could start by clicking on any of these to get started. I'm going to start with our basic search term instead today. And this takes me to the results page. So the results page is set up. So over here on the left are the results, and over here on the right are the ways to limit the results. We've received 11,588 results just in magazines, which is obviously an overwhelming amount. So one way we can narrow down is over here by publication date. Obviously, when researching, we want to have the most up-to-date research possible. So this is a great place to start. You can do it by the past month. And we're down already to 15 articles in magazines. Or you can do the past week, the past year, or customize your date range. Maybe you want to do the last 6 months. Another better way, though, to narrow your results is using the search within the results option. So I've done human rights violations. Maybe I want to look at a specific country. Maybe I want to look at Syria. And this takes all those initial results, searches them for articles just about Syria. Now I'm down to 789 options in magazines. Another cool feature of this database is like, okay, I've limited some. Now I need to start looking through, but I don't have time to go through all of them right now. I can actually save articles to look at later. So these go over to my folder. There they are. These will only stay here temporarily though. So I want to send these to my Google Drive so I have them when I'm at home. I go over here. It creates these folders for me. Let's refresh. And there's my article to use at a later date. The one important thing to know about this feature is that you really need to have your Google Drive open while searching so the articles can be sent there.